Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 11.4 question number 4. A cuboid is of dimension 60 cm into 54 cm into 30 cm. How many small cubes with side 6 cm can be placed in the given cuboid? Let us find out. Here, volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid. Of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid is equal to 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter, that is centimeter cube, right? And volume of the small cube, volume of the cube, volume of the cube is equal to L cube, and length is given as 6 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter whole cube, that is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 cubic centimeter, right? We'll find the required number of cubes. Therefore, the required number of cubes required number of cubes is equal to volume of cuboid equal to volume of cuboid divided by volume of the cube, volume of cube. Therefore, we are getting volume of the cuboid is equal to 60 into 54 into 30 cubic centimeter, and volume of the cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 cubic centimeter, right? This unit will cut out, and if you divide it, 6 10 is 60, 6 9 is 54, and 6 5 is 30. Therefore, we are getting 10 into 9 into 5. This is 5 into 45, 450. Right? Thus, hence 450 cubes can be placed in the given cuboid, in the given cuboid, and that is the answer. Let us repeat once again. Here you see the volume of the cuboid is 60 into 54 into 30 cubic centimeter, and volume of the cube is equal to L cube, and the side of the cube is 6 centimeter, therefore 6 into 6 into 6 cubic centimeter. Therefore, required number of cubes is equal to volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube. Volume of cuboid is 60 into 54 into 30 and volume of cube is 6 into 6 into 6. By calculation we are getting 450. Therefore, hence 450 cubes can be placed in the given cuboid, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.